So another kind of roller coaster thing. A roller coaster has a speed of 1.5 at point A. What is the speed of this car at point C if we assume it's a frictionless track? So again, a kind of hypothetical thing. So we have our point A and point C. So it's asking for V at this point. So we can make the assumption that EM at A is equal to EM at C. Okay, I can expand both of these to being EKA plus EPA is equal to EKC plus EPC. And we should actually write out some of our information before we get too excited here. So let's say we know VA is equal to 1.5 meters per second. VC is what we're looking for. HA, we know, is 12 meters. And HC is 4 meters. So let's expand all of these. So we have half mv squared, and I'm going to put VA just to make sure that I am being specific, plus m times g times HA is equal to half times m times VC squared plus m times g times HC. Now, if we can have m in all of these equations, but really it's unnecessary because it's in each one and mass always stays the same. Because it's still the mass of the trolley, and that's all that we're measuring. So you can keep it in and you're going to get the same thing. Or we can take it out and we don't have to do it in our calculations. Oh, good point. So then even if we had it, we could put it in, but we don't. And it's irrelevant because it stays constant the whole time. Okay, so yes, thank you. So we can cross it out. But that's the reason why. Even if we did have it, we could still cross it out. Okay? Okay, so let's summarize then. Half VA squared plus G times HA is equal to half VC squared plus GHC. I'm looking for VC, but I'm gonna keep that by itself. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and bring it to the other side, so it's gonna be minus now. Because VC is in this whole chunk, so I need to get rid of this chunk first. So I'm going to go half V squared A plus GHA minus GHC is equal to half VC squared. So let's plug in and solve for this information, and then we'll rearrange to solve for VC. So half times 1.5 meters per second squared plus 9.81 meters per second squared times 12.0 meters. All of that minus 9.81 meters per second squared times by 4.0 meters is equal to the half VC squared. So now we should have 79.605 is equal to our half VC squared. So that's a lot easier now to just rearrange and solve for VC. So now we have it's times by half, so we will multiply this side by 2. And we'll square root to solve for b at c. So in your calculator, you should get 12.6178, which will then round to 13 meters per second.